So using ILovePDF, if you have more than one document, you can go ahead and easily compare them out with each other. So in order to go ahead and do that, you can go around over here onto ILovePDF.com, and then over here you can see compare PDF is an option. If you were to go ahead and click right here, you can go ahead and select out PDF file, and then you can go inside right here, and then what you can do is select out multiple PDF file right here. For example, you can see that I got this proposal and proposal signed right here. So I can select two of these PDF files and click on open right here. I selected those PDF files by holding Control on my keyboard. So you can see one PDF over here on the left hand side that you can scroll in, zoom in and zoom out, and then you got the same right here as well. You can scroll down, scroll up, and so forth. So you can go ahead right here and use scroll sync as well. So once you do that, what happens is that when you scroll, you can see that it scrolls at the same time, which is easy if you want to go ahead and compare it. Even when you zoom right here just like this, you can see that it zooms in sync right here just like this. So you can go ahead and zoom it in as you need. So you can go ahead and unsync it, go around to pan to go ahead and pan out, let's say for example, to a certain section to see the difference right here, and use the scroll sync. And as you do that, what happens is that you can see that as you scroll, it syncs right here, and you can go ahead and move it left and right here to compare it out as you want. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So if I were to go ahead and then let's say for example zoom out, this is what you have. Then over here on the right hand side, you got content overlay, as you can see right here. So what the content overlay actually does is it takes the pages right here and then compares it out and highlights out the changes in red. So over here you saw like there was no tutor right here and or this. So if I were to go to content overlay, you can see the change right here just like this. You can even go around, change around the page number right here just like this. And then this is what you have. You can even go ahead and upload out another PDF file if you want to. So this is basically what you have. So there's no change. So you can see everything is in black and white. But if I were to go around onto one right here, everything is red because basically everything is different. But if I were to go around over here, you can see that only these two are different. You can go ahead and download out this report right here, just like this. And this is basically the comparison report right here that you can go ahead and bring in right here, just like this as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the compare PDF option inside of ILovePDF. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.